Circle the correct name for the picture. Look at the first picture. This is a tag. The words are tab or tag. The correct answer is tag. Look at the next picture. This is a burning matchstick. The words are lip or lit. The correct answer is lit. Look at the next picture. This is something we use for writing. The words are pet or pen. The correct answer is pen. Look at the next picture. This is a small house. The words are hut and hen. The correct answer is hut. Look at the next picture. Here we see an animal. The words are dog and dawn. The correct answer is dog. Look at the next picture. This is a ceiling fan. The words are fan or fat. The correct answer is fan. Look at the next picture. This is the nib of a pen. The words are nib and net. The correct answer is nib. Look at the next picture. Here we see a bed. The words are ben or bed. The correct answer is bed. Look at the next picture. This man is running. The words are ran or run. The correct answer is run. Look at the next picture. This is a corn cob. The words are cob and cot. The correct answer is cob. Look at the next picture. This is a cleaning mop. The words are moan and mop. The correct answer is mop. Look at the next picture. This is a bread bun. The words are bun and pin. The correct answer is bun. Look at the next picture. This is a baby pig. The words are pin and pig. The correct answer is pig. Look at the next picture. This is a spider's web. The words are web and wit. The correct answer is web. Look at the next picture. This is a bat. The words are bat and man. The correct answer is bat. Look at the next picture. This is a leg. The words are leg and let. The correct answer is leg. Look at the next picture. This is a fig fruit. The words are fig and fin. The correct answer is fig. Look at the next picture. This is a jar of jam. The words are jam and jam. The correct answer is jam. Look at the next picture. This is a wooden log. The words are log and lot. The correct answer is log. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning videos.